An African adage says, Arubo oleku, amolokun joye, ekun wasikukan. The translation simply means an elder dies and we now install a sick elder to now lead the family again. We've only shifted our mourning with just a little moment. We're still yet going to cry again. Because when an elder dies, you don't install a sick elder to lead the family. Of course, we all know that the sick elder, for how long is he going to stay with us again? Just recently, on the street of social media, I stumbled on something, a particular African country that had their election and their 94-year-old president still wants to be reinstalled. And the election result has been delayed and it has caused a lot of riots within the country. I'm not going to mention any country. But the truth of the matter is, Africans, this is not who we are. The African adage has simplified for us. Why are we trying to be who we are not? Arubo oleku, amolokun joye. Ekun wasikukan. An elder died, the family head died. Now we install a sick elder. What is going to happen to us? What can a sick elder do? He will only be concerned about his health, not the community, neither the family, nor the country. What has brought us to this level? Why can't we think within ourselves and understand that the sociology of the people determines their behavioral patterns? Our adage reflects our sociology. Our sociology reflects our adage. The African adage simply shows that Africans does not believe in installing sick elders as leaders within the community. Arubo oleku, amolokun joyi, ekun wasekukoni. It will give us no result. It will only take us backward because the sick elder will only be concerned about his health and not the community. No wonder most of African rulers and leaders are yielding little or no results in the developmental process of Africa. We have left who we are, pursuing who we are not. We are so power drunk that we want to, by all means and by every means possible, to be installed as rulers and leaders. That is not what our forefathers left for us. It is high time for us to begin to think inwardly and consider our sociology very deeply to determine who lead us. I've become so much impressed when I see these days younger people becoming kings, younger people being installed as head of different parastatals. It gives me so much joy. However, it is my encouragement for us as Africans to think deeply and inwardly so as to not continue to make and repeat the same mistake every 4 years of our electoral process. Rather, let's remember, Barubu lebaku koye kamolokun joye. When an elder finishes terms, we should not install another sick elder to come and lead us. He will not be concerned about our development. He will rather be concerned about his health. No wonder most of them, every 3 months, 6 months, they're out of the continent to treat their health condition. The precious time that they are supposed to be using, good economic time, that is supposed to be used to develop the community, to develop the nation, to develop Africa as a whole, is being concentrated and used and wasted on their private matters and personal matters. Barubo lebaku, or else we'll continue to mourn and sorrow and debar our own development by ourselves. Our sociology forbids it. Our ancestors forbids it. Barubo lebaku, you don't install a sick elder as a leader. No, it's against Africa. Ori Africa. Inspired by Ori, guided by Africa. Ori Africa.